My dear kids, in the last class we have learned some vowel A sound word. Today we will learn some more A sound words. So let's start. We all know that A and T makes at. When we will join it with K, it will become cat. So K, at, cat. Similarly, R, at, rat. F, at, fat. Next word is bag. We know that A and G makes ag. So B, ag, bag. R, ag, rag. T, ag, tag. Now come to am family words. We know that A and M makes am. A and M makes am. So J, am, jam. Y, am, yam. K, ab, cab. A and B makes ab. So K, ab, cab. T, ab, tab. So you all will note down the words in your notebooks. You will write down date, topic, and you will also draw the picture. And you have to also write down the Hindi fonts of these words. Why I am telling this to write down the Hindi fonts? Because then only you will able to read aloud the words, and when you come back to school you will be easily reading your books. So in the next class we will do some more words with vowel A sounds. Thank you.